Good morning, Year 1. It's the start of a new week. So let's start by writing the date. So today it is Monday. If yesterday it was the 24th of January, today it is the 25th. January is our first month, so it is 25.1 and the year is 2021. So we have another dot, 2021. And we also need to practice our numbers. Remember, we start at 0 and go up to 9. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now I would like you to have a go at practicing your numbers and writing the date for me. So last week we were looking at subtraction to 20. This week we are moving on, and today we are aiming to understand the place value of numbers up to 50. You will be doing that by counting forwards and backwards within 50, using a number track. You'll be looking at grouping objects in tens, and you'll be starting to understand that 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So here we have our number track. We are first going to practice counting forwards from 25 to 40. Let's have a go all together. So we start at 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Now we are going to practice counting back from, I'm going to choose the number 38. We are counting back from 38 and I want us to get to 27. Let's have a go. Now remember, when we count backwards, our number is getting smaller. So we are taking steps to make our number smaller. Let's have a go. 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. So we have counted back from 38 to 37. Here we have some counters. Now there are the same number each side, so each side has the same number of counters. But which one is easier to count? Let's have a go at counting these counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've already got confused with which counters I've already counted and which counters I haven't. If we look on this side, it looks a lot easier to count because they are already put into tens frames. And remember, if a tens frame is full, that means that there are already 10, so we know that there must be 10. So here we have one full tens frame, so we know that there are 10 counters here. We have another full tens frame, so that's another 10 counters, and another full tens frame, so that's another 10. This tens frame at the bottom though isn't full. Let's see how many counters we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. So already, look, it's much simpler because now we just have 4 numbers to add together. So let's start with our 10. 10, add 10. Well, 10 add 10 equals 20. So we already know that there are 20 counters here. Now let's add on another 10. So we knew that there were 20 here. So 20 add 10. Well, if 10 add 10 equals 20, 20 add 10 equals 30. So we have 10, 20, 30. Now we have to do 30 add the 8 left over. So remember, we have 30 because we had 10, 20, 30. So 30 add on the 8. Well, 30 add 8 is 38. So altogether there are 38 counters on this side and 38 counters over here. It was much simpler adding them together using the tens frame, wasn't it? Let's try another question all together. So now we have some cupcakes and we have to work out how many there are all together. They've already made it simpler for us because look, like our tens frame, they've put 10 cupcakes here on this tray and 10 cupcakes here on this tray. So 10 add 10 makes 20. And we've got our number track here to help us. And they've done steps. So let's have a look. So remember, we already have 20, so we just have to count on 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There are 25 cupcakes all together. Now we've got Annie. Annie counts how many muffins she has. Annie says that she has 45 muffins altogether. Let's check if she is correct. So remember, each tray has 10 cupcakes on them. So let's practice counting in our tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. So we already know we have 40 here. So instead of counting all the cupcakes, we can just count on from 40. So we have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. I've counted that there are 46 cupcakes. Pause this video here and see if you can work out what mistake Annie has made. Did you manage to spot it? She forgot to count on. She started on 40 on the cupcake that was actually 41. So she thought that there were 45 cupcakes when actually there were 46 because we counted on from 40. So remember, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46. So there are 46 cupcakes altogether. Let's try a different question. Amy is counting from 46 to 32. Will she say the number 47? I know what will help us with this question. Let's get a number line. So we have our number line now where we have our 100 square grid. Now remember, Amy is counting from 46. So let's find the number 46 on our 100 square grid. It's this number just here. And it says Amy is counting from 46 to 32. So let's find 32. It's this number just here. Now, will she say the number 47? Well, if she's counting from 46 to 32, is she counting forwards or backwards? Is the number getting bigger or smaller? If we look, the number is getting smaller each time before she gets to 32. So she is counting backwards. She is taking away because the number is getting smaller. So the first question is, will she find the number 47? Well, 47 is one number bigger. It is one more than 46. So the number's getting bigger. So will she say the number 47? No, she won't, because remember, Amy is counting backwards, so the number is getting smaller each time. So Amy will not say the number 47. Will she say the number 38? So will she say the number 38? Well, let's count back. Let's count from 46 and see if we say the number 38. Everybody count with me. 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38. We've said the number 38. So yes, Amy will say the number 38. Our last question is, will she say the number 26? So will she say the number 26? Well, let's count from 46 again and see if we say the number 26. 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32. Have we said the number 26? No, because look, 26 is up here. It's smaller than 32. So no, Amy will not say the number 26. We have one last question to do all together now. Ronnie and Whitney are counting. Sorry, Ron and Whitney are counting. Ron says 35, 34, 36, 35, 34. Is the number getting bigger or smaller? The number is getting smaller. So Ron must be counting back because the number is getting smaller. Let's have another go. 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 31, 32. Can you spot the mistake? Pause the video here and see if you can spot the mistake. Did you spot what mistake Ron has made? At first, he was counting back and the number was getting smaller. But then when he got to 30, he started adding 1 on each time, so the number was getting bigger. What number should he have said after 30? He should have said 29. So it should have gone 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. Let's have a look at Whitney's and see if she's made a mistake. 25, 26, 27. Is Whitney counting forwards or backwards? Is her number getting bigger or smaller? Whitney's number is getting bigger, so she must be counting forwards. Let's read through it again. 25, 26, 27, 82. Pause this video here and see if you can spot Whitney's mistake. She's got her tens and her ones mixed up. So she's put 82. So she said that there's 8 tens and 2 ones. But there's meant to be 2 tens and 8 ones. She was meant to say 28. Let's try counting with our new number. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's much better. I would like you now to have a go at the worksheet. Don't forget to try the maths challenge, and if you want to extend your learning even further, you can do the National Oak Academy video attached. I can't wait to see your fantastic work, Year 1.